Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the Redmi K40, the upcoming Xiaomi phones will have high refresh rate screen and a fast charging, claims the leakstar. The new leak says the current Redmi K30 lineup is a bit mess of the screen refreshing rate, ranging from 60 Hz through 120 Hz to 144 Hz across various LCD and OLED panel. Similarly, the phone have 27 watt, 30 watt or 33 watt fast charging. According to Vivo Leakstar digital chat station, the upcoming K series flagship should be more unfight. All Redmi K40 model will have fast refresh screen and fast charging. Don't expect massive improvement from the current generation through these 3C already certified as possible K30, maybe the Pro phone with 33 watt fast charging using the same MDY 11EX power brick as the Redmi K30 Pro. So as you can see, this is the early listing of the Redmi K40. So 33 watt charging and 5G. This is the listing report, a MIIT listing for the same devices. The M206J10C reveals that its 5G phone. Current speculation suggests that it will powered by the Snapdragon 775G chipset, a beefier version of the current 750G chip. Qualcomm should unveil the 775G alongside the Snapdragon 875 flagship on December 1. The latter will likely show up in premium Redmi K40 model. Before any of the happiness, however, the Redmi team when unveiled the Redmi Note 9 5G and Note 9 Pro 5G on November 24. The Pro model will use a aforementioned Snapdragon 750G chipset and will feature a 30 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate display, also a 4820 mAh battery with a 33 watt super fast charging and 108 megapixel main camera. Xiaomi is yet to officially confirm in a date, but this event will be on to watch as it should set its baseline from the more premium K series smartphone. So this is the latest report of the upcoming Xiaomi smartphone, the Redmi K40, maybe higher refresh rate. So this is the latest leakstar report of the digital chat station on a Vivo Chinese website. Let me know in the comment section and also like the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out and bye.